Hey guys, so I think that I finally have everything in from a few weeks ago when I ordered a bunch of stuff from Wish ads, specifically on Facebook. I have quite a few of these bags here. I'm pretty sure I have all of them. If so, then I may be just missing one, but I'm pretty sure I ordered like 6 or 7 things and I have 6 or 7 things before me. If you did not see my previous video on this, I basically went through all of the ads I was getting on Facebook and I ordered a bunch of stuff that I was getting advertised because so much of it was super weird and we kind of just wanted to take an investigation in and order some of the stuff and kind of just go with it. After I put that video out, so many of you were also telling me how weird the ads you were getting were, and even my dad's girlfriend, she showed me some of the weird ads that she gets from Wish. So it's definitely not me and we're all in this together. Surprisingly, a lot of the stuff came in way earlier than I thought. It has only been, I think, like 3 weeks, and a lot of the stuff, you know, says like 5 or 6 weeks. So I think we're doing pretty good there. And I say we just kind of get right into it. First, we'll go with this package that I accidentally opened a tiny bit because it came USPS first class, which is like 3 days. So I was not expecting it 3 days after I ordered everything from Wish, since most stuff takes at least a month. So I have this item, and it is the fish tank light humidifier. And then we got the actual item packaged nicely, and here it is. Cute. It seems really good quality. A little button on top. Comes with the little plug. Put this in. This actually looks really cute, and this actually seems like pretty good quality, so let's test this out. Okay, so I've had this thing going for a little while now, and it's really cute. It works perfectly. You can feel like the water coming off of it, and the colors kind of just like change really slowly. I don't know how much this will actually humidify or put like moisture into the air, but I think it's really cute, and it can maybe add just like, you know, tiny bit. Although my thing has gone down even though this is sitting right next to it, but you know, that's the point. And this one is pretty round shape. Some of the stuff, it's funny, the descriptions. This is described as a stainless steel thermos cup. So, okay. And voila! This was the water bottle that was also like a pill holder. So you just put your water and then put pills there. It seems also pretty good quality. It does smell a little weird though. Very plastic. Actually, it doesn't seem like the best quality, but I mean like $2, you know? It's probably like 2 times as sturdy as my smart water bottle. But it also has the little thing, so if you wanted to plan out your week, just kind of put water there. Overall, not bad. Put this to the side. Next, let's take a look at this bag, and this is the car trash can, it says. Box a little beat up, but that's okay. All this stuff just like reeks of like really, you know, like cheap plastic. Okay, put that away. Car trash bin. I kind of wish it didn't have the sticker on. The sticker's not even put on great. There's like a crease in it. But okay, car. So you just like put things in it. This I don't actually think is a bad idea. I'm gonna put this in my car and I'm going to use this. It's probably the best purchase that I got. Just like. Next, another large item. And this says that it's a luck bell. So I have no clue what this is. I don't even remember the stuff I ordered. Is that bad? It's only been 3 weeks. It has water in it. Oh my god. I remember this. It was the thing. The weather thing. It looks like a bunch of little ice crystals. I hope my camera can pick it up. And it's the weather forecast glass. So it'll forecast the weather condition of the day for me according to the air pressure change. It's a forecast tool. Okay. Crystals disappear gradually. That means the weather will be warm. When there are star-shaped crystals, that means it will snow. And then they clarify that that barely happens in Taiwan. And then when weather crystals increase gradually, it means the weather will be cloudy or rainy. When the liquid becomes muddy, that means the weather will be gloomy. It says that the crystal asks for 1 to 2 weeks to be used to adapt to the environment. So I could have very well had this for a week or two already. And based on the crystals, they're feathery, which means stormy or like cloudy, which would be accurate because I live in Portland and it is raining all the time. And it actually did pour today. So this is actually accurate. I would say that it is already acclimated to where I am. So I think this is kind of cute. I will put this out as like decoration because I know I need some decoration in my house because I don't have literally any. Cool, I'm very happy about this purchase, except I'm scared I'm gonna drop it, so I'm gonna put it away. There. Next, we have this small little package and it just says curlers. And here they are. I don't remember if these were free or not. I think they were. I've never actually seen curlers like this. It might be because I don't generally curl my hair, but it's like low-key confusing. So you take this thing out, then you get a piece of hair. Am I doing it the right way? Is this the right way? I don't think I'm doing it right. Okay, you know what? I'll give these a try in a minute. Okay, so I managed to get this in properly. So I'm just going to blow dry it and see how that does. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, that curl is actually so good. Huge thumbs up on this one. Got another package here and it says hair clip. Did we order more than one hair clip or curlers? What? Why? Why? Oh, 2 of them. Okay. I think I ordered 1 and got 2. So I guess just like fashion. Just kidding. These might actually be good if you're like doing your hair. Maybe? I don't. Why can't I get it to work? Just like, even just to pull your hair out. Or like or is it supposed to give you like a wave? Is that what it's supposed to do? Like, oh, that would make sense. Okay, if anyone knows what the specific purpose of these are, can you please tell me? Because I thought that maybe they were like clipped out of the way, but they don't seem actually that helpful at clipping hair out of the way. Now I think that this last package, it's the biggest one, is our 3XL cape, which I am very excited for. This one I think came second, so I've had it for a week. In its own little dust bag. This actually seems pretty good. Is this massive? Is it? I don't think it's actually, does this look 3XL to you? Maybe. It actually, okay. I don't know if it's 5XL. I ordered 5XL. Okay, this is 5XL. I would say I'm technically a medium, an American, of course. I'm technically a medium, maybe a large. I prefer to wear like 2XL and everything like drape on me. So, hello? This is actually like a tiny bit too big, but it's a 5XL. I love hoods that are like drapey like this. I actually go look in a mirror. Okay, actually not a bad purchase. It goes down to like, can you see? Here. Just like kind of on my thigh. It has pockets. That's always good. The sleeves are like barely too big. Like they're just the amount of baggy that I like. You know what I mean? I actually do like it. It doesn't feel super, super cheap. I'm gonna just take this like 5XL tag out because like, okay, you know what? Don't get me wrong. Just because it's not bad quality doesn't mean it's good quality. It's definitely like thin. Like you can't go out in the winter with just this on. But for someone like me that likes a lot of layers, likes things really baggy, likes to basically not be seen, it's perfect. It's perfect for spring and when you have to leave the house. And yeah, I can just like, you know, like if I'm not feeling social, just, you know? And like, tell me this is not cute. I think it's cute. So I say we go put this in my car.